remembers a time back in 2011 when the world was a simpler, easier, more fun place to be. In a small bakery in northern New Jersey, two friends got together every week, determined to teach the world how to bake.
Crumb Boss and the producer!
And YouTube was never the same.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here!
It sunk like the Titanic in here.
Yay! Crumb Boss and the producer! Crumb Boss, everybody!
Whether it was making the #1 recipe on YouTube for buttercream, or icing fudge brownies, or teaching the world how to make eclairs, I was literally always working. Wait, that doesn't sound right.
Oh! Ratchet! It's like vomit! Like people don't eat that! It totally stinks!
So here we are in 2020, and well, YouTube, it's time to get ready. Hold on to your crumb buns, cause guess what's coming back?
Yay!
Better, bigger, and so much more exciting. Wait, one more thing. Don't forget to check us out on our other channels at Funhouse TV and Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Microwave's gonna work, and I'm gonna make it and it's gonna glow. Okay.
Yeah, let's see this, alright.
Oh, so you're filming already?
Yeah, well, I'm filming already.
Well, yeah, see, Gretchen's all pissed off because I said I could do this, okay? So, the Jell-O, which is still floating with the stuff in it, okay?
Yeah, because I had to soak my socks in there.
I'm going to pour a little bit out because I don't need that much. And I'm going to show you all how to make a thing.
Well,
glow in the dark.
Yeah, we're on part 2, guys, of glow in the dark cupcakes because, you know, I myth busted the first one in my video, and Steph insists that she knows how to do. So what'd you do?
I dumped too much of the Jell-O out. I'm going to heat it in the microwave for, let's say, 2 minutes. No, I'm kidding.
2 minutes.
It's going to flame up. I think, because I'm a professional scientist, there's some science things that are missing here.
Yeah.
This is a black light. How does it work, Gretchen?
She's
Oh, there.
a scientist.
Oh, it's a
Here's
flashlight.
the flashlight.
Oh, okay. Well, no wonder why. It's a 2-in-1. I got my vanilla buttercream and vanilla cupcakes, okay? Is it heating? Next thing you know, the whole thing is exploding. It smells like... Nope, it's not hot yet. I think the heat was missing from it. I think the heat was missing from it. I think Steph, the producer, this video is going to go viral because I am going to make black light glow-in-the-dark cupcakes because that light's going to be shut off in a minute, okay?
Yeah.
I got vanilla buttercream cupcakes. This is sloppy.
Well, you did it. That's why.
It's all stained. It's like, you know, whatever. I think.
Look, you're claiming that I should have had it hot. When I made the recipe, when you make Jell-O, it always starts out hot because you have to pour boiling water into the gelatin to make it melt.
There's something wrong here. This is hot.
Is the micro?
Look, I'm glowing.
Let me see.
Oh, I got you beat, Gretchen! I got you beat! I just put it on my nail polish and it's glowing! No, I got you beat!
That's
Gretchen, I got you beat, girl! I got you beat!
Would you shut up?
I got you beat!
Shut up. I want to tell... No.
I dipped my finger in a bowl and I put the black light and it glowed!
Would you let me talk?
Yeah.
It's glowing because of the black light. Duh. Yeah. That's what I said.
Oh, okay.
We turn the lights off with no black light, then let's see if it glows.
Gonna glow.
I'm turning the light off. Give me your fingernails.
No, Gretchen.
Give me your fingernails. I want to see it glowing.
No, I licked it off. I put it in my mouth. I tasted it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. I
can't even see
Yeah, I can't find the light bulb. Okay, there.
Okay, so this is my stuff.
All right, wait. Let me see your fingernail,
No,
Miss.
I
Got you beat.
No, I got you beat.
You wish.
Shut the producer, TV.
Our whole other video, I'm like, it doesn't glow in the dark. It only glows by black light. She dips her finger in it and says, "I got you beat because it glows in the dark." No, it glowed by black light. Again,
ladies and gentlemen,
stop licking it off your finger. I want to see it.
It tastes good though. I got you beat. I got you beat. Gretchen.
Oh, we lost
Going
power.
down. I can't see anything. Get my icing out. How many seconds I got?
Too many.
Yeah. I need a black light. All right, hold on.
What'd you do? Now, are you dipping your fingers?
Yeah, it's got to be hot. Now you're gonna pour it in the buttercream. Look at it. Oh.
Boiling hot into buttercream, guys, not recommended.
Yeah, watch. How much you want to bet? Why did it melt?
Boiling hot into buttercream, guys, not recommended.
Hold on.
She just made some buttercream soup.
I made some buttercream soup, but you know what? Maybe I can taste it. I need more buttercream.
She's a scientist. She didn't know that pouring boiling water into buttercream is going to melt
Shut
it.
the light off, big mouth. Okay, ready?
Yep. No black light if you insist that it glows in the dark.
Look at it. It's glowing.
There's nothing.
Hold
There's
on.
nothing happening.
Wait
it's
a
black
minute.
screen.
Hold on. Where's the thing? I can't find my thing. Gretchen, how does this... Why'd you buy something called the torch? Stupid.
Yeah, it's crap.
Doesn't work, Gretchen.
Yeah, you got to put it on tube.
Yeah, now look at it.
Bang it on the table now. Yeah, I know. Yeah,
okay.
exactly.
Now, put it on. Look at it, it's glowing.
It's the same thing
Look at it.
happened to
No,
me.
look at the middle of it. See, it's starting to glow.
Oh,
it's the
God.
ratio to buttercream to that. It's starting to glow. I'm right.
Okay.
So if I had more, see the great, look at, get really tight in there. You see that? You see that? It's glowing. Steph makes glowing icing. Look at it right here, right there, right there. You
That's the Jell-O.
No, Gretchen, it's glowing.
All right.
The
Well,
ratio
so
to buttercream, that's the problem. You can't use buttercream icing.
So what do we use? Silly Slippies?
No.
Glow in the dark?
No.
Freaky Freezies?
No. Hold on, you can't do this. Go ahead, set it off. Yeah.
But how are they going to ice their cupcakes with that mess?
All right, so oh, you don't.
So what did we just make?
I proved to you that I can do it. I proved to you that Steph, the producer, can make buttercream glow in the dark icing. I wonder what it tastes like.
I want to see if your mouth glows in the dark. Drink that whole thing of tonic water. And then go pee and we'll see if your pee glows.
Oh yeah? Does it glow?
Let's
see what it tastes like.
What's it taste like? What does it taste like?
It's disgusting! Holy shit!
Hey, don't say shit.
Oh! Gretchen, it's like vomit! Oh, it's you